If you got a tractor, I'm going to show you all the reasons your number one attachment will be a grapple bucket. Stand by. Look at this giant bite of hot garbage. So you get a bite of that shit, son. Yeah, that shit does. Do it. Moving those driveway rocks. Like a champ. This is one of our archaeological finds today. It's like an old mattress or some shit. But they just dumped it out here. It's probably been here for 20 years. We're gonna slap it right here in this staging area with the other old couch that was recovered. Open her up. And just put her in the damn pile so we can pick her up later. And we don't have that crap wrapped around our axle. Adding fuel to the fire. Like, just the whole idea of having a grapple rocks. You can strategically place all your crap where it needs to be. Presto changeo. Fire make it 101. There are just too many damn reasons to have a grapple. But in the top 10, excavating your property, finding somebody's old ass trash pit, and removing that crap to some other place is right there in the top 10. Makes real short work of your home improvement projects. There's you another reason to have a grapple on the front of your damn tractor, because you see all that crap we have to cut up and pile. See all that crap that we're talking about. Cleaning up yard debris. A whole lot better and easier on your back. This is definitely one of those times that I could say that I'm having more fun than you are. Like, subscribe, follow. Welcome to Adventures with Big Daddy at the Clewiston cabin build.